All right, hello again. So this is the last lecture of your bone and joint lectures. So I like to end each unit making sure that you tie everything that we've learned to our other organ systems. So this information is found in your book. There's some review system connections at the end of your chapters, but I just wanted to make sure we talked about it, and so there's no reason that you've forgotten about it. So I'm going to put it in a PowerPoint and just kind of go over some of the high points on that. So when we talk about all of our organs, we want to talk about our organs and relate them to the organs that we've already learned about, and then think about the organ systems that are coming up for the muscle, nervous, digestive, respiratory, cardiovascular. And so we're just trying to get an overall view of the body, because I think a lot of students really do want to try to think of these as individual organ systems to be learned and forgotten, instead of trying to put them all together. So I try to do this after each unit to make sure that we're connecting our body, because remember, organs work as part of organ systems, and all the organ systems work together to make the organism. So the integumentary, or skin, we've covered skin previously. So the skeletal system is going to be the scaffolding. It is the support for the skin, but the skin helps us to provide vitamin D. Okay, so this is just some basic things. I just want to start tying these together, because you'll have a question or two on the exam just to make sure that you're putting your organ systems together and how they relate to each other. Muscular, again, skeleton is support. It also provides the levers. So when the muscles contract, they move the bones, and the bones store the calcium that's needed for muscle movement. I told you for muscles to contract, you need calcium. The bones store that calcium. The muscles pull on the bones, and that makes the bones stronger. So the muscles and bones, you need your muscles to pull on your bones to make them stronger. Someone that's paralyzed, whose muscles aren't contracting, you will see that they have atrophied or weaker bones. The nervous system. We know the bones protect and support the nervous system, right? It also, the skeleton provides the calcium needed for our nervous system to work. Calcium is important in nervous system conduction. And the nerves innervate the bones. If you break a bone and it hurts, then that's because you have nerves that go to the bones. Endocrine, the skeletal system protects the endocrine organs. Okay, so you have endocrine organs throughout your body, and the skeleton protects and provides their support. Also provides calcium, because we need calcium for our hormonal systems to work. Hormones like growth hormone, thyroid hormone, calcitonin, all these different hormones, they play a role in growth, bone growth, and calcium storage. The cardiovascular system, the bone marrow is made, that's where bone cells are made. So bone marrow inside of bone, that provides the blood cells that your heart needs to pump throughout your body. The cardiovascular system is going to bring oxygen and take away carbon dioxide and bring nutrients to the bone. The lymphatic system, the skeleton is going to protect and support the lymphatics. The lymphatics have cells that are called lymphocytes, and they're part of your immune system, and they help protect the bone from pathogens or disease. Respiratory, your skeleton, again, protection and support. So think about your lungs are protected by your rib cage. Again, your lungs, they're going to bring in oxygen, get rid of CO2. That's important. Digestive, skeleton, protect and support. But digestive, you need that. That's how you get calcium and glucose, all the nutrients that you need, your vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D. That's how you get your vitamins in for your bones to grow. Urinary, you're like, urinary, how does that tie in? Well, skeleton supports and protects the kidneys and the urinary system. But your urinary system, the last step, the way we actually use vitamin D is activated in the kidney. So we have to have the kidney in order for us to actually have a usable form of vitamin D. And it gets rid of waste products, nitrogenous waste products for us. Reproductive, again, skeleton provides protection and support for the reproductive system. The reproductive system gives us those hormones, estrogen and testosterone, that play a role in masculizing and feminizing the skeleton. So again, I just want you to take some time after each unit and look in your book, and I'll do a little quick video just to make sure you're tying all your organ systems into each other. Okay, that's all there is to this unit, and I will see you in the next unit.